So guys, here's what you run into when you're doing this disc brake conversion on these Impalas. This is a kit from Pirate Jack, which I've ordered several from them, and the front brakes are Willwood, which should fit perfectly. These back ones, what you run into, the diameter right here is not large enough. So I've already ground on this a little bit, but as you can see, maybe it's not sitting flush against that axle. And what it does, it catches this lip, the way it bevels. So what you have to do is actually use a die grinder of some sort and actually increase the diameter here by, I would say, a 1/16 or 32nd of an inch. And that way it allows it to have the spacing needed to fit over that axle. So in order to get the caliper brackets to mount correctly without that wobble, you're gonna have to cut out a pattern similar to that. And a lot of this, it's kind of trial and error. You just kind of sketch it out with a Sharpie, grind down to that. And that's pretty close to what the other one was, but it's necessary to get it to fit flush and not have that wobble when it's, I guess it's hitting the back of the welds on the flange of the axle ends. So we'll grind this and show you what it looks like.